And this is the microwave lidded bacon crisper. That's the instructions. We'll pop it to the side. You have a lid. These are all dishwasher safe, and the base itself. So all that's left now is to grab a bit of bacon, pop it in the microwave and see if this thing works. Now I've washed the little tray and dried it, so we'll throw a bit of bacon in and we'll see how it performs. And maybe one more piece, and it should be interesting. We'll put the lid on, go pop it in the microwave, and they say give or take 3 minutes, so that's what we're going to do. Now I've got the lid on the proper way. I had it wrong before, and we'll just pop this in and we'll set the timer for 3 minutes, and we'll come back when it's cooked, see what it looks like. Now 3 minutes have gone by. We'll get out the bacon and we'll have a look at it. So let's see how much fat we've got. So that's pretty impressive. So let's have a look. It's definitely shrunk quite a bit, and that's the 3 pieces of bacon that I've just cooked. And I'll try one now. Not bad at all. Very good. For 3 minutes, wow. Fastest bacon I've ever cooked in my life.